I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a complaint in consumer court. First, understand what constitutes a consumer dispute. This involves identifying if your issue falls under consumer protection laws. Next, determine the appropriate consumer court based on the monetary value of your claim. Finally, gather all necessary documents and evidence, such as receipts, warranties, and communication records, to support your case effectively. This initial preparation is crucial for a strong complaint. Once you have gathered your documents, it's time to draft your complaint. Clearly state the facts of your case, including specific dates, product details, or service issues. Be precise about the relief you are seeking, whether it's a refund, replacement, or compensation. Remember to attach all supporting documents like invoices, warranties, and any correspondence, as these are vital pieces of evidence for the court to review. When submitting your complaint, ensure you do so within 2 years from the date the cause of action arose. This is a critical time limit. You will also need to pay the prescribed court fee, which varies depending on the value of your claim. Prepare multiple copies of your complaint and all supporting documents, typically 3 to 4 sets, for the court and the opposing party. This ensures a smooth filing process. After filing, the consumer court will issue a notice to the opposite party, informing them of your complaint. Both parties will then have the opportunity to present their arguments and evidence before the court. This process may involve several hearings. Finally, based on the facts and legal provisions, the consumer court will deliver a judgment, aiming to resolve your dispute fairly and efficiently. Be prepared for this legal journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.